2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? 8 minus 3 times 4 plus 10 divided by 5, right? Now 8 minus 3 equals 5 times 4 plus 10 divided by 5. Now 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 10 divided by 5. Now 20 plus 10 equals 30 divided by 5. Now 30 divided by 5 equals 6. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Addition and subtraction after multiplication and division, right? So multiply first. So 2 cubed, but before multiplication exponents, right? So 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? So 8 minus 3 times 4 plus 10 divided by 5. Now multiply. 8 minus 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 10 divided by 5. Now divide first. 8 minus 12 plus 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 8 minus 12 equals minus 4 plus 2. Now minus and plus. Minus plus minus, right? So minus 4 plus 2 equals minus 2.